In today's tech tip, we're going to discuss how to easily connect to an EVAP system on vehicles that no longer have the EVAP test port, and we're going to use the new EasyConnect test kit. So on older cars, you used to have the old green cap under the hood, where you just remove it, put your EVAP test port adapter in, hook the smoke hose to it, and then you were doing your leak down check and your smoke testing if there was an actual leak in the system. New cars just don't have that anymore. So that's why we developed the EasyConnect test kit to be able to adapt the smoke machine to modern vehicles. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So the kit comes with several different adapters, different sizes, whether it be T-fittings, male or female quick connectors. It works on most every vehicle to be able to quickly disconnect a fitting on the vehicle, tap in using your T-connector, seal the system back up again, and then go ahead and test. Many manufacturers suggest testing the EVAP system in sections versus as a whole. You can do that easily with EasyConnect. Snap the T-shaped adapters into an easily accessible line, like a line near the purge valve. Then connect the smoke hose of your smoke machine to the fitting. Forms a complete seal for effective leak testing without disturbing other components. EasyConnect is compatible with any smoke machine. Thanks for tuning in to this week's tech tip. Just remember, technical assistance is only a phone call away. We have ASE Master Technicians on staff to assist you with all your needs. Thank you.